Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this nice little Cantonese dish, chicken and snow peas. Really nice and easy to do, and look, let's just get on with it. I'm cooking for 4. I've got 1 kilo of chicken thighs that I've cut up into 1-inch cubes, 25 centimeter cubes, and I'm adding in around about 1/3 of a cup of Zhaoxing wine, or Chinese rice wine. Just put that over the top, give that all a good mix through, and leave that for around about 30 minutes. I'm going to make up my little gravy. I've got around about 2 tablespoons worth of chicken bouillon powder, okay, and about the same again, maybe just a dash more of some cornstarch or corn flour. That can go in. Give that a quick mix through, just like that, okay, just to make things nice and even. And what I'm going to add into that is going to be around about 1/3 of a cup's worth of room temperature water. Alright, so just put that in. We don't need a lot of water for this. This is our thickening agent for our little stir fry that we're about to do. So just give that a nice little mix. Now, I've got my wok already starting to preheat, and I'm just going to add in a little bit of peanut oil, just like that, probably about a tablespoon's worth, maybe a little bit more. We're going to move that around, and once we start to see a little bit more heat coming off that, what I'm going to do is add in a medium-sized brown onion that I have finely sliced. Okay, they can go in. Now, I do that quarter cut type method. You've seen me do this a million times before. If you want to cut it differently, maybe into rings, you can do that, but this just gives it a little bit more of an authentic look. Give that a little bit of a stir through for about 3 to 4 minutes until they get a bit of colour on them, and I'm going to remove those from the wok. Right, just put those aside. Now, a little bit more oil. As you can see, we've got some nice heat happening, and I'm going to start adding in my chicken. Right, we're going to do this in batches. A kilo of meat in a wok is never going to work, so just do this in 3 or maybe 4 batches if you need to, and just keep moving it around in the wok with the oil, just like I'm doing right there. As I said, we're going to be cooking these off for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is probably the most labour intensive part of the whole dish. So once we've got these around about 90% cooked, put those aside. They're only going to sit there for a few minutes, so we just take those out, put them aside. A little bit more oil, and we're going to add some more chicken. And don't worry, I'm going to fast forward a whole heap of this, so you're not going to get bored. So just put those back in, just like that. Once they're cooked off to that 90% type mark, we can put those aside. A bit more oil, you know, the usual thing. Add, stir, repeat. Right, that last batch has cooked off just like that, and all I'm going to do now is add all of that chicken straight back in. And as you can see, there were no juices coming out, so we've actually cooked that perfectly 90% of the way through. Give that all a bit of a reheat, just like I'm doing right there, and I'm going to start adding my flavourings. Teaspoon of ground white pepper, that can go straight in just like that. Okay, and that's just a magic ingredient for any Asian cooking. Give that all a quick stir through. Very, very simple, and already the smell in the kitchen has already changed, and we're getting there. Right, we're going to put in our onion that we've previously fried off. That can go straight in like that. Give that a quick flip through as well, and around about a good heaped teaspoon of ginger paste and garlic paste. They can go straight in, and the paste works perfectly for this particular dish. Give that all a quick stir. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of oyster sauce. That can go straight in just like that. Very simple, and the flavouring from this meal is really, really simple, and even the kids will love it. About another 2 tablespoons worth of Chinese rice wine, or Zhaoxing wine. I'm going to add in a big handful of snow peas that I've topped and tailed and stringed. Okay, they can go straight in. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of soy sauce, a good quality one. That is a must. Give that all a bit of a stir, and I'm going to add a bit of sweetness. You can add honey if you want. I'm actually going to use a little bit of agave syrup. It's just going to give it a nice little sweetness to this dish. Now, we're on the home stretch for this particular meal, and as you can see, it does not take very long at all. I'm going to add in our little slurry that we made at the very beginning. That can go straight in like that. And we're going to bring this up to a bit of a simmer, and we're going to stir that around just like I'm doing right there, and that is going to thicken up and make a beautiful sauce for our little Cantonese style chicken and snow peas. Alright, some rice noodles, they can go straight in. They're just the ones you put in hot water and reheat. They can go in like that, and we're at the finish line. The only thing left to do is serve it up just like that. Right, love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like the video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. And if you don't like the video, hit that like button because I said so. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to grow this channel and let everyone know about it. It helps the algorithm. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something real quick and easy for dinner, just like this one, with a nice mild flavour that the kids would love, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button. And I will catch you next time. Bye.